Hello friends, welcome to Simplified channel. Nowadays, safety and security of your data and phone is very important. With modern technologies, you can easily keep safe your data in many ways like iCloud, Google Cloud Storage, etc. But keeping the phone safe and make sure that you increase the chances of getting your phone back in case you lose it or someone steal it from you. Here are 3 settings to adjust to increase the chances of getting your phone back. Number 1, go to Find My, enable send last location option, so in case if someone switch off or restart your iPhone, you will be able to get the location of your iPhone. Number 2, go to Face ID and passcode, disable control center and accessory option so nobody can restart or reset your iPhone even if they connect it to some laptop or any other external device. Number 3, go to Screen Time, enable content and privacy restriction, scroll down to passcode changes and press Don't Allow so no one can change your Apple ID. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay connected for more useful update and information.